Wolfcraft Plasterboard Cutter with Rail is a multifunctional tool that simplifies gypsum plasterboard cutting by combining scoring, breaking, and cutting functions. It features a maximum cutting length of 900 millimeters, which can be extended to 1,900 millimeters with an optional rail, accommodating projects of various sizes. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable operation, and the quick blade change feature adds to its convenience. This cutter delivers precise, clean cuts, reducing the need for additional filling. Its 3-in-1 design saves time and effort, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and enthusiasts working on drywall installations. Wolfcraft Flexible Screwdriver is a practical tool designed for accessing screws in tight, hard-to-reach spaces. Its flexible shaft easily maneuvers into various angles, making it ideal for electronics, car repairs, furniture assembly, and other confined area tasks. The quick change chuck allows fast bit swapping, while the magnetic bit holder keeps bits secure during use. Additionally, the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain. With its adaptability and user-friendly features, the Wolfcraft Flexible Screwdriver is a valuable addition for anyone needing efficient work in tight spaces. Wolfcraft Miniature Hand Screwdriver with Ratchet Function is a compact, efficient tool designed for quick, easy screwing and unscrewing tasks. It features a built-in ratchet mechanism that allows for continuous rotation in both directions without changing grip, making it ideal for tight spaces or delicate projects. The quick change chuck enables easy bit swaps, while the magnetic bit holder keeps bits secure. With an ergonomic handle for comfort and a compact design for portability, it's suitable for a wide range of tasks, including electronics repair, model building, furniture assembly, and general household repairs. The set usually includes interchangeable bits for Phillips, slotted and Torx screws, making it versatile for various small jobs and a valuable addition for professionals and hobbyists alike. Wolfcraft 120 grain sanding block is a versatile tool for sanding wood, paint, varnish, plastic, car body, and sheet steel. With its 120 grit diamond coating, it ensures efficient and smooth sanding for a variety of materials. The compact size makes it ideal for precise work and accessing tight corners. Its durable construction and ergonomic design provide a comfortable grip for extended use, perfect for smoothing tile edges, removing paint, shaping wood, and preparing surfaces for finishing. This sanding block is a reliable choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, available online and at local retailers. The Wolfcraft Universal Angle and Tri-Square is a versatile tool that combines multiple functions into a single device, simplifying tasks like measuring, marking, drawing, and guided cutting. It features a flat square for accurate measurements, an angle measuring scale for precise angle transfer, a parallel marker for drawing parallel lines, and a marking stencil with templates for creating common shapes. Additionally, it includes a drill guide for concealed hinges, a removable plastic limit stop for adjustable precision, and a high-quality metal design for durability. Ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and other precise tasks, this tool is built for efficiency, accuracy, and long-lasting performance. Wolfcraft Master 600 is a versatile clamping and work table crafted for both hobbyists and professionals. With an adjustable height range of 78 to 95 centimeters, it ensures ergonomic comfort. The tiltable tabletop, adjustable up to 65 degrees, and an extendable work surface of 65 by 42 centimeters offer flexibility for angled and larger projects. Equipped with a clamping system featuring 4 plastic jaws for horizontal clamping and 2 additional jaws for round items, it provides stability. A magnetic storage area keeps small tools within reach, and its foldable design saves space. Built with durable MDF and steel, it supports up to 120 kilograms for heavy-duty applications. Wolfcraft Fixoflex sanding pads are versatile tools for a range of sanding tasks, known for their user-friendly design and adaptability. Their flexible construction conforms to curved or uneven surfaces, enabling precise sanding. With an easy fix fastening system, the pads attach quickly to various power tools, including drills and grinders. Available in multiple grit sizes, they cater to diverse sanding needs from coarse to fine. The flexible design ensures efficient sanding with a smooth, scratch-free finish, while reducing vibrations for added comfort. For safe operation, always wear protective gear like safety glasses and a dust mask when using these sanding pads. Wolfcraft TS 850 Offroad is a sturdy folding hand truck, ideal for transporting heavy loads on challenging terrains like gardens, woods, and other uneven surfaces. Equipped with extra-wide profile tires and reinforced wheel mounts, It provides excellent grip and stability. With a high load capacity of up to 100 kilograms, it's perfect for carrying items like soil bags, firewood, or construction materials. The truck folds compactly with a telescopic handle for easy storage, while its rubberized grip bar adjusts to various heights for ergonomic handling. Made from high-quality materials, this durable hand truck is built to last and simplify outdoor tasks. The Wolfcraft Tech Mobile Drill Stand is a versatile, easy-to-use tool compatible with most standard power drills, designed for precise drilling tasks at various angles, including overhead and wall-mounted drilling. Key features include a dust extraction connector for clean and accurate drilling, tiltable double guide bars that adjust up to 45 degrees for angled drilling, and an infinitely adjustable depth stop for controlled drilling depths. The straight guide helps maintain alignment for multiple holes, while an integrated V-groove secures round workpieces. The stand also has a centering base plate and a drill bit magazine for added convenience. Overall, the Wolfcraft Tech Mobile Drill Stand offers a stable and flexible platform for accurate drilling. Wolfcraft Adjustable Hole Saw is a versatile tool for cutting precise holes in wood, drywall, and plastic. It features adjustable diameters ranging from 45 millimeters to 130 millimeters, providing flexibility for various project requirements. With durable, high-quality blades, it delivers clean and accurate cuts, ensuring a long lifespan even with frequent use. The tool's user-friendly adjustments make it suitable for both professionals and hobbyists, eliminating the need for multiple fixed-size hole saws. For optimal performance, use the appropriate blade, a powerful drill, and cutting fluid to reduce friction. Occasional breaks can prevent overheating and enhance tool longevity. The Wolfcraft TC 710 is a high-quality tile cutter designed for professional use, capable of cutting tiles up to 710 millimeters in length and 3 to 14 millimeters in thickness. Built with a heavy-duty metal frame and thick base plate, it offers durability and stability. The powerful 20 millimeters tungsten carbide cutting wheel ensures clean and precise cuts through ceramic, porcelain, and glass tiles. Its ergonomic design, with a comfortable handle and user-friendly braking mechanism, allows for extended use without fatigue. The C-profile guide with ball bearings ensures accurate, repeatable cuts. Versatile, it can make straight, miter, and diagonal cuts, making it ideal for demanding tile cutting projects. Wolfcraft Bevel and Mitre Box is a versatile 2-in-1 tool designed for precise miter cuts and accurate angle measurements. Ideal for tasks like fitting baseboards in challenging environments, such as old buildings with uneven corners. It features a bevel gauge that measures angles from 85 degrees to 180 degrees, a miter box with sawing guides for precise cuts, and an automatic angle bisector that ensures perfectly aligned miters by transferring the angle from the gauge to the saw. With an adjustable height to accommodate various baseboard sizes and an intuitive design, it simplifies the process of achieving perfect miter joints with ease, making it a valuable tool for professional carpenters. Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge is a versatile tool designed for measuring and transferring angles, as well as marking parallel lines, making it perfect for tasks such as laying floors and building furniture. It combines the functions of an angle gauge and a marking gauge, with a folding stop for easy angle transfer and a scale on the moving leg for marking parallel lines. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the compact design allows for easy storage and portability. The Wolfcraft is a valuable tool that offers accuracy and convenience for woodworking and professional projects. Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge for miter saws is a precision tool that simplifies measuring and transferring angles to your miter saw. Designed for accuracy, it measures wall angles from 30 degrees to 180 degrees and transfers them directly to your saw. An automatic angle bisector ensures correct miter cuts, while telescopic corner calipers make measuring outside corners easy. It features a foldable stop for marking angles on your workpiece and integrated magnets for secure alignment on the saw blade. The eccentric lever allows for quick positioning and locking, even in tight spaces, making it an essential tool for achieving precise angle cuts in any woodworking project. Wolfcraft Grill Brush is a robust and efficient tool crafted to keep BBQ grills clean and well-maintained. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it offers durability and resistance to rust and corrosion, ensuring it withstands repeated use. Its unique circumferential bristle design provides comprehensive cleaning across various grill surfaces, while the ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue. Suitable for cleaning grates, burners, and more, This grill brush is a reliable choice for maintaining a pristine grilling experience. Wolfcraft FT 350B Furniture Dolly is a versatile, durable tool designed to simplify moving heavy objects. With a unique splittable design, it offers 3 configurations: a compact dolly supporting up to 250 kilograms for general transport, a flat trolley with a grip bar on the narrow side for loads up to 150 kilograms, and a panel cart with the grip bar on the wide side for carrying long boards or furniture up to 50 kilograms. Constructed from high-quality birch multi-layer wood with waterproof bonding, it ensures longevity, while 6 ball-bearing casters provide smooth maneuverability. This dolly's adaptability and sturdy build make it an ideal choice for various heavy-lifting tasks. Wolfcraft Template is a convenient tool designed for precise positioning of electrical socket and switch holes in hollow walls. Its preset markings for common socket spacings, 57, 71, and 91 millimeters, simplify alignment, while integrated horizontal and vertical levels ensure accuracy even on uneven surfaces. Constructed from durable plastic, the template withstands regular use. Simply align the template on the wall, mark the holes, and drill for quick, accurate results. Ideal for home improvement, this template saves time, reduces drilling mistakes, and delivers professional results, whether for a single socket or multiple configurations. Wolfcraft Professional Scraper is an effective tool designed for professional cleaning on smooth surfaces, ideal for removing dirt, paint, varnish, and adhesive residues from ceramic hobs, tiles, and glass. It features a metal-reinforced plastic casing for durability, an ergonomic soft grip for comfortable handling, and a robust metal blade guide for stability. Tool-free blade changes make replacement easy, and it's compatible with standard 38mm blades for versatility. Its compact design ensures convenient storage and transport, making it a reliable choice for efficient, damage-free cleaning on delicate surfaces. Wolfcraft Connector Pro Easy One-Hand Clamp Adapter is a versatile tool that expands your clamping range by combining 2 one-hand clamps from the Pro or Easy series, making it ideal for large projects like gluing furniture or assembling large components. This adapter allows for a maximum clamping width of up to 200 centimeters and features a push-button mechanism for quick connection and release. Built from high-quality materials, it ensures durability and reliability. Compatible with both Pro and Easy series clamps, it's an excellent tool for enhancing clamping capabilities for woodworking and other tasks. Wolfcraft edge clamps are designed for woodworking and versatile enough to handle various clamping needs. With a clamping width of 24 millimeters and a clamping pressure of 30 kilograms, they securely hold materials in place. They're compatible with all bar clamps with a maximum bar size of 8 by 30 millimeters, making them useful for edge banding, securing moldings, and spot clamping small areas. These clamps provide strong holding force, versatility across different bar clamps, and easy attachment, making them a reliable addition to any woodworking setup. Wolfcraft Corner Sander is designed for precision sanding in tight and hard-to-reach areas. Its compact build and ergonomic 2-component handle provide comfortable control, while the Easy Fix fiber system enables quick sanding disc changes. With high-quality construction, it's built to last and perform reliably in a range of tasks, including sanding wood and metal corners, removing paint and rust, and preparing surfaces for finishing. Its thoughtful design and ease of use make the Wolfcraft a versatile tool for precise, efficient sanding in challenging spots. Wolfcraft Universal Wedges are versatile tools designed for 2 main uses: as spacing guides for creating expansion joints when laying laminate or parquet flooring, and as wedges for squaring windows and doors. They feature a latching mechanism that allows them to be connected together in both directions, offering easy adjustability. Made from durable plastic, they are resistant to wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance. Whether used for flooring or window and door installation, these wedges provide a practical, reliable solution for achieving precise results. Wolfcraft AllPurpose Sander is a versatile hand tool designed for sanding wood, metal, and other materials. It features a patented fastening system that allows for quick attachment of sanding sheets or rolls, making it easy to switch between tasks. The ergonomic 2-component handle ensures comfortable use, even during extended sanding sessions. Suitable for both flat surfaces and edges, this sander offers flexibility for various applications. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable tool for a range of sanding tasks. Wolfcraft Jigsaw Table is a versatile accessory designed to enhance the precision and safety of your jigsaw. It features secure mounting with steel clamps, allowing it to be attached to any work table or bench up to 60 mm thick. The clear line of sight, along with the included parallel stop, ensures controlled and accurate cutting. The blade enters from underneath, delivering clean cuts with fewer ragged edges on the visible side. Compact at 320 by 300 millimeters, it's ideal for standard jigsaw work and easy to store. Made from high-quality materials, it promises durability and long-lasting performance, improving accuracy, safety, and productivity for various woodworking tasks. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.